Welcome to PrometAI. Let's explore how you can easily set up your founder details. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the Founders section in the Entrepreneur's Journey. Then, drag and drop core skills from the top toolbar. Here, you'll see the founders, their interests, and their experience. You can also add new co-founders and fill in their details. Next, you'll rate each co-founder's core skill areas by choosing the description that fits best from the drop-down menu. After filling in the experience fields, generate personalized questions to refine your skill profile. Then, answer each one by selecting the options that suit you best. Just choose what feels true to you. Once you answer the questions, click Generate Core Skills. PrometAI will suggest the skills that match your profile, and you can adjust them before finalizing. Core skills easily set with PrometAI.